How to make mushroom soup using Knorr only way. Most people get this wrong, but making mushroom soup with Knorr is faster and tastier than you'd think. You won't believe how creamy and flavorful it turns out using a simple method. Start by gathering your ingredients: Knorr mushroom soup mix, fresh mushrooms, butter, water, and milk. Slice the mushrooms thinly for better texture. Heat a saucepan on medium, add butter and saute the mushrooms for 3-5 minutes until soft and fragrant. This step enhances the flavor far beyond just using the soup mix. Next, pour in the Knorr mushroom soup mix and water according to the package instructions. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Let it simmer for 5-7 minutes to blend the flavors. For creamants, gradually add milk while stirring. Adjust the amount depending on how thick you like your soup. Season lightly with salt and pepper, but remember the Knorr mix already adds flavor. Once ready, serve hot with a garnish of chopped parsley or a few salted mushroom slices on top. The surprising truth is that salting fresh mushrooms before adding the soup mix transforms a simple packet into a restaurant quality dish. In conclusion, the only way to make mushroom soup using Knorr is to salt fresh mushrooms, mix with the Knorr packet and water, add milk for creamants and garnish. This method is quick, flavorful, and foolproof for anyone craving delicious mushroom soup.